Hey guys, and welcome back to Playtime with Plant-Based Kids. My name's Tahlia, and today I am going to be unboxing a Naturalista doll. Stay tuned for more. Welcome back. So this doll is an Influencer Deluxe set. She comes with one ring light, one smartphone, one computer, and 2 pair of legs. You know what? Let's just get unboxing. I love my Naturalista doll. She's super pretty, and I really like her outfit that she has in the computer, in the ring light. Her hair matches my hair.
Hi, my name is Molly. Welcome to the dollhouse.
Hi, my name's Grace. Thank you so much.
This place is awesome. You're gonna love it here.
Oh my god, I love it here. The lighting is perfect and I can make my videos.
The new girl comes in and now I'm sitting on the floor.
If you're interested in getting this doll, go in our link below and get this doll now. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time on Playtime with Plant-Based Kids.